Hey everyone, you've probably seen that cool number counting effect in videos. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to animate numbers in After Effects and add commas, decimals, and even symbols like $sign. So let's dive right in. First, create a text layer. Type any number you like. It could be 0, 100 or even 1000. It doesn't matter. For best results, use a monospace font. These fonts make sure your numbers don't jump around while animating. Once your text is ready, use the align tools to center it in the composition. With your text layer selected, go to FX panel and search for angle control. Drag and drop it onto your text layer. This will give us a parameter to control our animation. Now, open the drop-down menu of your text layer. Under text, you will find the source text property. Pick whip the source text to the angle parameter in the effects control panel. By doing this, the text will be linked to the angle control. Next, press E twice to quickly open the expression we just created. But as you can see, nothing is happening yet. That's because we need to animate the angle control. Add a keyframe at the start of your timeline with the value of 0. Then, move to the end of the timeline and set the angle value to, let's say, 100,000. Play it back and you'll see the numbers counting up. To get rid of these decimals, press E twice again to open the expression editor. At the end of the expression, add .value to fixed. Then click away in the timeline. This will remove all the decimals. If you want decimals, you can specify the numbers in the parentheses. For example, putting number 3 will give you 3 decimal places. Here, I don't need decimals, so I'll leave it empty. If you want to add a symbol like a $sign, it's easy. Go back to the expression editor. At the start of the expression, add quotation mark, $sign, close quotation mark, and plus sign. Make sure to include a space after the $sign if you want some spacing. And boom, you now have a $sign before the numbers. You can also add a symbol at the end by adding plus sign, quotation mark, your desired symbol, then close quotation mark to the end of the expression. Now, let's add commas to make large numbers easier to read. Copy the addCommas expression I've provided in the description and paste it after your existing expression. You will see an error at first. That's because we need to specify where the commas should go. To fix this, name your counting animation expression by adding num equals to before the counting expression. Then mention num in the addCommas parentheses. Now your numbers will have commas separating every 3 digits. So no more errors and the animation will work perfectly. And that's it. You just learned how to animate numbers in After Effects. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. See you in the next video.